Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I received in my fall 2020 FabFitFun box. This video is in partnership with FabFitFun. I have been a FabFitFun partner for about 2 years now, and I absolutely love getting my box and showing you what I received and letting you know my thoughts on the products. Normally, in past videos, I've always opened my box up for the first time on camera. That way you get to see my initial reactions through my facial expressions, and then I give you my first impressions of the products. This time though, I opened my box in advance. Later on in the video, I'm going to be telling you how that went and what my initial reaction was to my box. Now, before I get into what I received in my fall FabFitFun box, I want to quickly explain to those of you who might be new what FabFitFun is. FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box. Each box contains over $200 or at least $200 worth of beauty, fashion, lifestyle products for only $49.99 a season. However, when you go to get your first box and you use my code, which I will put on the screen, it's Risa Loves, that will get you $10 off your first box. So it makes the entire box just $39.99. So it is such a great value. I love talking about this box and recommending this box because I have discovered so many new brands and products I would never have known about or possibly tried had I not received them in this box. I got my mother signed up 2 seasons ago and she's been so happy. FabFitFun is available in the UK, in Canada, and the United States. Another thing I really love about FabFitFun is that many of the products in the box are from female-founded companies. They also partner with charities each season. And I really am so happy that this season they have chosen to partner with No Kid Hungry. With everything that's going on in the world right now, so many children have lost the ability to get the food that they so desperately need. And so far, No Kid Hungry has sent over $19 million to over 850 schools and community groups in order to fund their food programs and serving more than 13 million meals a day. Now let's get into what came in my box. I did customize my box, and you as a FabFitFun member can also customize your box. And this month I chose some staple products just because while getting new products is fantastic, I love trying new things, I also love when I have the ability to get products that I already know I like, that I use very often, such as the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. This liquid eyeliner has been one of my favorites for many years. It glides on so beautifully. It stays on all day, hence the name Stay All Day. And it's one of Stila's cult classic products. I also went for the Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. Look how pretty the packaging is on this. This mascara has my favorite kind of brush. It's not those spiky plastic bristles. I always poke my eye out with those. I love this type of brush that's not too fat either. It has a little bit of a dip in the center, like an hourglass shape, you could say, because I feel like it really helps to lift and hold the curl of my lashes. Now, if I had gone to the store and just purchased these 2 products alone, I will have already spent more than the entire cost of this box. So that right there is probably the #1 reason why I love FabFitFun so much. And another product you really can't go wrong with is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. This is another product that has been in my beauty arsenal for years and years. It holds your brows in place so well, and it really helps to give people like me that don't have a lot of brows that really sort of feathery look that's so popular right now. And it's not a sticky brow gel either. Next up is this Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting and Refining Serum. It says on the box, if you have issues with pores enlarged and clogged with excessive oil, and you want smaller looking pores and a smooth, flawless complexion, then apparently this is for you. And it's for me because I do have those issues with large pores and excessive oil and rough texture. So I cannot wait to try this. Oh, I did forget to mention at the beginning that you always receive the FabFitFun magazine in your box. And there's great articles in here. And it also contains photos and a description and the retail prices of the products in your box, as well as the products that were in other people's boxes. So the next thing in my box was this 8 Other Reasons clip trio. I have a lot of jewelry from the brand 8 Other Reasons that I really love. So when I went to do my customization, I knew I wanted to try these clips because I love a good hair accessory. I love accessories in general. If you watch my videos regularly, you know that. I'm often wearing a little clip in my hair or just big necklaces, big earrings, small earrings. I love it all. So these clips are so, so pretty. So instead of leaving these hanging like this, I could clip like this. And these seem like the kind of clips that would be good for when you're putting your makeup on and you just want to keep the hair out of your face. I feel like they wouldn't leave a dent in the hair like regular bobby pins do. These are super cute and they have a retail value of $32. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I opened up the box before I filmed this, but I didn't open up what was in this pouch right here. It's from a brand called Jenny Bird, and this is going to be an initial reaction because I don't know what this is. That's another great thing about FabFitFun, the element of surprise. Ooh, what is this? Is it a necklace? It's a bracelet. Ooh, oh my gosh, I love this. Yes, so much yes. I love this. Look how cute that is. And I love that it's a combination of silver and gold because, oh, I forgot to put my wedding ring on today. I was gonna say, I like to wear gold jewelry near my face, but then I have my platinum ring, which I just forgot to put on this morning. But anyway, I like to mix metals, and I think this bracelet is so, so cute. And this bracelet, again, it's from Jenny Bird. It's the Austin Cuff. What? It retails for $135. Yes, one item in your box could be worth $135. Okay, here's where things get a little bit different. When I pulled this product out of my box, this Laundress Crease Release spray that removes wrinkles from clothing, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit like, But that's one of the beautiful things about FabFitFun, as I mentioned earlier. Trying products that you think that you would never need or you would never buy on your own, but when it comes in the box, you figure, I'm gonna try it anyway. And I have a feeling that I might actually like this, especially for t-shirts or if I'm not in the mood to heat up my steamer, or maybe I just noticed that my husband's shirt at the last second before walking out the door needed to be steamed or ironed. I'm thinking that I might actually really like this product. But as I said, when I first opened the box, I thought, Then I saw this and I was thinking, what is this? It's from the brand Height and it's the Tranquility Sleep Mist. Again, I think that this might be good for me because I really do struggle with sleep. And this says that it's formulated with powerful ingredients that relax your senses and soothe your skin. This calming lavender scented mist creates a tranquil sleep environment while promoting a healthy complexion. And the instructions are before bed, mist around your pillows and sheets to create a calming sleep environment, or hold 8 to 10 inches away from your face and body to relax and soothe the skin. That smells really nice. It smells like a spa. I'm gonna try this tonight. In all my past videos, I've never really said anything negative about any of the products that I've received because truly they've all been, for the most part, really, really good, and I've always felt like my box was worth it. But I do know that sometimes when you first look into the box, some of you might be thinking, I don't know if I'll ever use that, or I don't know, there's only 2 things in here that I feel like I would really use. What I'm trying to say is that you really shouldn't judge your box based on your initial reaction, based on first opening up the box. Because some of the products that you think might be that you're not super excited about, they may end up being your favorites out of the entire box. Like I mentioned, I feel like I really might love this crease release, and I've been using a different shower gel lately that I've really been loving. But I received this Golden Superfood Antioxidant Shower Gel. It contains pumpkin, argan, apricot, orange, and aloe vera, and it smells absolutely heavenly. So I'm also gonna save money by using this instead of repurchasing my other shower gel. So I'm really happy I received this, and overall, this box was most definitely worth it. I mean, let's go back to this bracelet being $135 and this Dr. Dennis Gross product retailing for $65. My box was well over $200 in total. As you can see, everything full-sized, and with my code RISALOVES, you will get $10 off your first box. Even if you don't get the exact same things that are in my box, there are so many other incredible products in here that I would have loved. And when you sign up for FabFitFun, there will be a questionnaire, so you can let them know if you prefer more beauty products or more fashion products or more lifestyle products. They ask you a bunch of questions. They are open to feedback and suggestions, so I really hope that if you have been on the fence about trying FabFitFun, that you will do this for yourself or possibly give it as a gift. A lot of people are going through just hard times right now, and little things like this, getting a box in the mail that contains all these great new beauty products to try out, that is good for anyone's mental health. And it's an affordable way to make yourself feel good and to bring happiness to yourself or possibly to others. So I'm going to stop talking right now and just say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing what was in my FabFitFun Fall 2020 box. All the information you need will be in the description box, including the link to FabFitFun and my code once again. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an upload. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter under the same username. It's all Risa Does Makeup. Once again, thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time out of your day to see what I got in my box, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.